Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Grammy-winning artist Shaggy is in celebratory mode after his hit track Banana with pop star Conqueror has surpassed 1 billion global streams. The track is also confirmed platinum in Brazil and gold in Canada, India, Mexico, the Netherlands and Norway. Shaggy shared this video on his Instagram account, thanking his fans for helping him accomplish this milestone.
I'd like to take this opportunity to say thanks to our fans for taking Banana over 1 billion streams.
1 billion.
1 billion streams. Thank you very much.
The hit track was also remixed, which helped it to gain a massive reach on social media app TikTok with even a dance challenge. Banana was played over 27 million original TikTok creation pieces during the challenge and saw videos from international stars like Jason Derulo and Neymar Jr. among others. Banana was released in 2019 and is featured on Shaggy's new album Hot Shot 2020. Shaggy. Dancehall artist TVJ, the up-top boss, shares his rags to riches journey. The motivational single showcases two different sides of the dancehall singer. The video sees TJ dressed in a suit living his best life in a luxurious mansion, while on the other hand it shows scenes of him walking through his old neighborhood, reflecting on his humble upbringing. Rags to Riches was released on Thursday and is currently trending at number 8 on streaming platform YouTube. Now it's all about Fame Frequency set to glow tomorrow night. The highly anticipated event on Saturday will feature DJs Narity, Colin Hines, Franco and King Taj from Fame 95. Fame Frequency Glow kicks off at 9 p.m. on RETV and 10:45 right here on TVJ. Partygoers are encouraged to get dressed in their neon colors and log into our VIP Zoom area and watch yourself on the virtual event. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Enjoy your weekend.